Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is your girl Esther. And in this channel I kind of fuse everything together. I actually teach you how you can cook some delicious African meals and other recipe. I also teach you how you can make money online. In this channel I also teach you how you can create your own Amazon account, how you can start making your own business with Amazon, like selling on Amazon. So the purpose of this video today is actually to show you how you can create your own Amazon seller account, guys. I already before you, maybe if it's come on this video by mistake, or you intentionally type on how you can create an Amazon account and unfortunately you're on my channel, welcome. I just want to say thank you, welcome. So but the purpose of this video is for me to share with you how you can create your own Amazon seller account, like I said before. So but before you want to reach at this step, you want to make sure that you have watched two videos that I already shared on about Amazon, what you need to know before start selling on Amazon. So there are a couple of videos that I've already shared, two videos. So you want to make sure that you watch those videos, and when you're ready and you're not prepared to actually create your own Amazon account, you can follow this step on how you can start create your own Amazon account. So I have this slide that I've made to explain to you what you need to do. So creating an Amazon seller account involves a series of steps to ensure your setup is correctly to start selling on Amazon platform. So here are some step-by-step guides on how you can start selling on Amazon. Okay, make sure you have an agenda. So you have to decide on what you have to say, gather the necessary information, create your Amazon seller account, set up an account detail, verify your identity, set up a payment information, start listing your product, configure shipping option if applicable, manage inventory, and launch your store. So this is an agenda. You want to know what you want to do, so you have to create an agenda. So these are the key steps that you need to know to follow in order for you to have a successful business account. So you want to decide on your selling plan. You want to decide if it's an individual plan or if it's a professional plan. If you watch my previous video, you understand the difference between an individual plan and a professional plan. So you want to make sure that you choose the plan before creating your account. In this slide, you want to make sure that you gather the necessary information that is required for you to use before you can create your account. So you want to start by, before that, like I said, before you start your registration process, you have the following information ready. You want to have your business email address, an Amazon customer account, a credit card with a valid billing address, a government ID card, a tax information, phone number, and your bank account where Amazon can send your proceeds. You want to make sure that you have all this information before you can engage in this step. Okay, with all this in mind, you want to start creating your own Amazon seller account. So you have to go to google.com and search Amazon Seller Central. So what you have to do, you have to type on the search bar https column / sellercentral.amazon.com, and it will take you to this page. Account or set up account detail. Yeah, this is just a reminder. It's just a reminder before we can move forward. I want you to be aware of the following things. So you have to set up your account detail. You want to complete the following step in the setup process: your business information, provide your business name and address, your email address. This is for business communication, your telephone number or your mobile number for account verification, email, credit card information for seller fee, a store name. Just choose a name that reflects your brand or your product. Tax information, fill in your tax identity information to comply with the tax regulation. Okay, you want to respect all these details before we can move on to the next slide. When you are on the Amazon Seller Central, you want to sign in with your existing Amazon account. If you are using an existing Amazon account, then it will redirect you to this page or here where you have to enter your password. But if you're not going to be using this, you want to go to the next step. I will advise you to create a new account dedicated to your business. So you're going to click on create your Amazon account. When you input all the necessary information that is required, Amazon will send you a verification code through your email So copy it and paste it to continue with the verification process. This very next step, you want to verify your identity. So you're going to be choosing your location, that's your country. You want to make sure that you choose your business type. If you have an LLC, you want to choose privately owned business. But if you don't have it and you know that you want to join your tax with your business tax and your personal tax, you want to choose none. I am an individual, you can choose this, but you have to choose privately owned business. You want to choose that option if you have an LLC, which is very important because there's an advantage when you have an LLC. You'll be able to have a business account name, you'll be able to have like bank, where you'll be able to have some of the cashbacks, reward and whatnot. So it's very important, but you don't necessarily need to have an LLC before you start selling on Amazon. Amazon will ask for a government issue ID card, and it is possibly a bank account statement. You might have to take a selfie of yourself for further verification. So you just want to go in and input all the necessary requirements, like a self guide. So you can just go through, you put your first name, your last name, your citizenship, the date of birth. Just go ahead and fill all this page. It's self guide. Set up your payment information, enter your bank detail. Amazon will deposit your sales proceeds into this account after deducting it fees. So you want to input your bank account detail. Okay, from the other slide, the billing slide, you want to go to the store site. You want to set up your store. Everything, like I said, is self-guide, but I'm going to guide you a little bit. You want to input the store, like your store name. For example, I'm writing Sandra Pet Supply, so you want to put whatever store name that you're going to be putting. Put your store name. Then do you have a universal product code? That means a UPC code for all your product. I can always, since it depends on what you'll be doing. If you're doing a private label, you need a UPC code because you're going to be sticking them either through sticker or it can be printed on your product. Whatever product you make, your manufacturer going to print your UPC code there. So you want to make sure that you have a UPC code, and I'm going to be making a video to share with you guys how you can actually have a UPC code. But some of us that will be starting selling, some of you going to be doing like a arbitrage, like a retailer. So in this part, you don't really need to do anything. So just go ahead and put yes in this section. Do you have any diversity certification? Like, click no if you don't have, because some of you don't have, so you want to click no. But if you have an LLC, you can click yes. So the other one, do you own a brand? If you have your brand name is actually registered, you can, if you have a trademark, a brand name, you want to click yes. But if you don't have, it says some of them or no, but I click yes. So you want to click yes, you have it, because you need to have it. It will take you to this page where you need to upload the necessary document that is required. When you upload the document, you can see everything is like self-guide, like walkthrough. So you want to upload your document. Like, for example, you're going to be uploading like your ID card, the front and back. You're going to be uploading your bank statement. So you're going to upload those documents here. Whatever document that is required, you're going to be uploading there here. Then you have to move now to the next stage, which is the verification stage. Verification code. This process is part of Amazon efforts to reduce fraud and protect both the seller and the customer. So you just want to go in and input all the necessary information, your driver license, your address, just input everything, then put the code. If you want them to send you a call or an SMS, for them to give you a PIN code for you to have the confirmation, because you want to confirm your account. So Amazon is going to be sending you a code. So you want to input your number, your phone number here. After you say, you can click on send SMS or call, but click on SMS because that's what you need. So then you input your number and click on send SMS. So you will have a verification code. You input all the necessary information that is required. Amazon will send you a verification code if your account is actually approved. So Amazon will send you a PIN code. So you want to type the code. It can send you a PIN code through in the form of a number, like confirmation where you have a pin code that will come there. At times some people, they don't even necessarily send them the code. Amazon will automatically approve your account. Like me, my account was automatically approved without me that same day, so I don't necessarily need to wait for any confirmation code. My account was automatically approved. So but some of them, Amazon will be sending you a code. It's gonna take like 2 to 3 business days. It will send you a code when you will take your code and input at this stage, and your account will be verified and you will have your account. Like I said, I didn't go through this process. My account was automatically verified. We have a bonus here. Congratulations, guys. Once your account is set up, you can now start listing your product. You can add them once at a time if you have an individual plan, but if you have a professional plan, you can now add them at the bulk. So this is just a bonus video to share with you how you can actually start add your product and start selling on Amazon, guys. This is just it. You have your account, you have now your account. So I'm just going to walk you through some of the few slides. So this is actually a bonus, but I'm going to be making a video to really explain with you how you can start listing your own product on Amazon. So let's just go with this bonus. Okay, start listing your product. Start listing your product to manage your inventory. So you have to keep an eye on your inventory level to ensure that you can fulfill the order promptly. Okay, so you want to make sure that you keep an eye on your inventory. Configure shipping option if applicable. Okay, in this slide you want to determine how you will fulfill your order. You can fulfill them yourself, or you can use Amazon fulfillment by Amazon, which is the FBA service. You can actually use that, or you can fulfill them by yourself using the fulfill by merchant. So you want to configure your setting option. After listing your product and setting everything up, you are ready to launch your store and start selling on Amazon. Are you not excited to have your own Amazon account and start selling and making this money that other people are making out there? Setting up an Amazon seller account is just the beginning. Success on Amazon requires a continuous effort in optimizing your listing, managing inventory, and providing excellent customer service. So that is it, guys. And if you really like this video, I just want you to click the red subscribe button, above, and click the notification bell for an update so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. I am going to be coming up sharing with you how my business is performing, and I'm also going to be giving some bonus. I'm going to be giving you some item. I know to search product to sell, if you're a retailer or you're doing arbitrage, it's usually difficult. People sourcing, it's difficult for them to find product. I'm going to be sharing with you some of the products some of the winning products that you can actually go out there, purchase them, and sell them and start making money. So I'm so excited, guys. So stay tuned, and if you know you haven't watched my other videos, you want to click on the link below. It will take you to the other video on what you need to know before start selling on Amazon, before you can actually reach at this level where you are creating your own Amazon account. My next video, I'm going to be sharing how you can actually list your product and start selling. So stay tuned with me. I just want to say I love you all. Ciao, ciao. As we make this money